Good morning, coffee in bed, what a treat. I actually tidied up before filming this. I put my beer bottles all the way over there. So far I've been crossing back and forth over the UN buffer zone green line to explore the Greek Cypriots south of Nicosia, and today I'm going to stay on this side of the green line and explore around the Turkish north of the city. Absolutely over the moon to be back in this absolutely stunning architecture of the Turkish Han.
Senin kahve yok ki.
Bitmiş mi?
Senin kahve yok.
Bu güzel değil mi?
Yok.
First Turkish chai. This is Abdul Karim. Treasure of the Abdul Karim and friends, and he's invited me to my first Turkish chai.
Ya,
Teşekkür ederim.
ben teşekkür ederim. Ben teşekkür ederim. Very very nice.
Eline sağlık.
Elhamdülillah. Elhamdülillah.
Bayraklarımız KKTC, Türkiye Cumhuriyeti. Bunların hepsi
Kıbrıs,
antika.
Türkiye.
Kıbrıs, Türkiye. KKTC, TC. Burada bu eski zaman olaraktan, eski zamanda kullanılan bunlar meyvelikler, zepselikler, hububat konan, bunlar meyvelik, bunlar meyvelik, bunlar mesela meyvelik. Bu sepet, incir sepeti bunlar. İncir toplanırdı, bu incirleri toplardık.
Such hospitality. I had forgotten that it's next to impossible to walk past a table of Turkish men drinking tea without getting an invitation. It's so wonderful to be back. This was the city's Armenian church, but with the separation of Nicosia, the building was abandoned and fell into disrepair. It's since been renovated and looks, in my opinion, amazing. This restored church is used as the venue for whirling dervish performances. And there's some kind of exhibit, but it's only in Turkish, so I've no idea what that's all about. Here's another church that's been changed into a mosque. You can see the minaret has been patched on after the event. I don't know if you can hear it, but very suitable that the music coming out of the caravanserais here is Hotel California, because I've extended my stay more than once in this gorgeous hotel, but it is now time to go and explore some more of Turkish northern Cyprus. Back to my favourite Turkish kebab place before leaving town, but I saw somebody in Çorba. Love this Turkish lentil soup, bread, olives, call to prayer, sun shining. It's a good day. Doing this left-handed, so oh, okay, that's probably enough. Oh my gosh, it's crazy good. I thought it was just going to be lentil, but it's lentil and chicken. This is going to set me up for my ride. Oh shit, I've just realised I don't actually know which side of the road they ride in Turkish North Cyprus. It's all very well on this little one-way street in the centre of town, but I'm going to have to watch the traffic and see what's happening. I'm attempting a bit of a shortcut. It's not technically through the UN demilitarized zone. As you can see, that is Turkish Cyprus over there. You can maybe see the flag. And there's a Turkish flag there. I think that marks the end of Turkish Cyprus, and I think that is the buffer zone. So my track just skirts right along the edge of the buffer zone. Hopefully I can get through. Uh-oh. Oh no. İyi akşamlar. I've got stuck. I've come the wrong way. I need to go this way. The privilege of being a solo white woman on a bicycle. A sergeant or somebody was called and they let me through. Cheers, yasas, whatever it is in Turkish. It's good to be back in the tent, home sweet home. I loved Nicosia, loved it. And now I'm really excited to explore some more of the territory or region or whatever we're calling it. And it's also good to be eating some Turkish food again.